Hello students and welcome to Standard 10th Mathematics 1 digital class. Today we will start with chapter 5 probability. We use words like probable, maybe, impossible, sure, nearly, 50-50 to express the possibility in our daily conversation. Read the following statements regarding predictions or possibilities for the future. Most probably, the rain will start from today. The inflation is likely to rise. It is impossible to defeat Indian cricket team in the next match. I will surely get first class. There is no possibility of polio infection if a child is given the polio vaccine in time. The adjoining picture shows a toss before a cricket match. We all are familiar with this picture. So, what are the possibilities here? Either we will get a head or a tail. Correct? So, there are two possibilities. Let's see two activities. Activity 1. Let each student in the class toss a coin once. What will you get? So, let's see the possibilities. Here, some students will get head and the remaining students will get tail. And we can write the number of students getting head in first column and the number of students getting the tail in second column. Activity 2. Let each student toss the same coin twice. Then, what are the possibilities? Here, a student can get heads in both the toss. That is, there is a possibility that a student can get heads in its both toss, which is represented by HH. So, the number of students getting two heads or heads in both the toss can be written in the first column. Now, there is a possibility that a student can get head in the first toss and tail in the second toss, which is represented by HT. So, this number will be written in the second column. The third possibility is a student can get tail in the first toss and head in the second toss. So, then this number we will write in the third column and it is represented by TH. And the last possibility is that the student can get tails in both the toss, which is represented by TT. And the number of students getting TT or tails in both the toss will be written in the fourth column. Now let's see what is a random experiment. The experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty, and there is equal possibility for each result is known as a random experiment. So what is outcome then? Result of a random experiment is known as an outcome. Example, in a random experiment of tossing a coin, there are only two outcomes, that is head or tail. Here, tossing the coin is a random experiment and there are only two outcomes, which are head or tail. Okay. Example 2. A card is drawn randomly from a pack of well shuffled playing cards. So here drawing a card from a well shuffled playing cards is a random experiment. Okay, and there are 52 cards in a pack as shown below. So total cards is 52. Out of that, 26 are red cards and 26 are black cards. Now 26 cards, among them there are 13 heart cards which are red and 13 diamond cards which are again red. Among 26 black cards, 13 are club cards and 13 are spade cards. Okay. In a pack of playing cards, there are 4 sets, namely heart, diamond, club and spade. In each set, there are 13 cards as king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and ace. King, queen and jack are known as face cards. In each pack of cards, there are 4 cards of king, 4 cards of queen and 4 cards of jack. Thus, total face cards are 12. See the cards. Here, the first one is called ace of heart. Second one is ace of diamond. Third one is ace of club and the fourth one is ace of spade. So we have 4 ace cards in a pack of 52 cards. Okay. So in all we have 26 red cards, that is heart and diamond, and 26 black cards, that is club and spade. Okay. Equally likely outcomes. If a die is thrown, any of the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 may appear on the upper face. It means that each number is equally likely to occur. However, if a die is so formed that a particular face comes up most often, then that die is biased. In this case, the outcomes are not likely to occur equally. Let's solve practice set 5.1. So here the first question is, how many possibilities are there in each of the following? So question number 1. Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. So the places she knows are Ajinta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran, Anandvan. Answer. Vanita can visit any of the 8 places. So here she has 8 possibilities. Therefore the answer is 8 possibilities. Let's solve question number 2. Any day of a week is to be selected randomly, and we have to find how many possibilities are there if we have to choose any day from a week randomly. Okay. So there are 7 days in a week. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So therefore, there are 7 possibilities of selecting any one day randomly. So the answer is 7 possibilities. Now let's solve question number 4. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. Now there are cards with numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 written on it. Therefore, there are 11 possibilities of selecting one card randomly. So here the answer is 11 possibilities. Hope children you have understood the exercise as well as the concept of probability. Thank you.